Hello people, welcome, come, let's make this rice recipe, and I'll be bringing the egg sauce recipe for you in my next video. So here is my boiling water. I'll add in 2 cups of rice and I'll give it a quick stir and I'll cover it and allow it to just cook for like 5 to 6 minutes. So here I'll wash it and save it and properly wash, guys. I'll add it back to the pan, salt, hot water, some olive oil, and I'll give it a quick stir and I'll cover it to cook for another 20 minutes. All my returnees, thank you for returning, my old and my new. I really do appreciate. So yeah, it has been cooking for 20 minutes. I added in my carrot and my green pea. I will give it a thorough and a proper mixing, guys. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. Lady B Varieties is the name. Feel free to check my channel out. I have varieties of dishes, guys. Baking, recipe, cooking videos, family lifestyle. Feel free to check it out and see which one you like or prefer to do. So yeah, I do things, I mix things up, I try things, I make new dishes. So I have stirred together and I cover it to cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. So here is it ready. So guys, I will bring very soon this recipe that I cooked, this egg stew. Enjoy. Bye. See you on my next video.